here in Greater Houston. It's late winter. Live oaks are dropping their leaves. It's a warm day. We've got woodland setting here. It's probably seasonally wet. And came across a beautiful Parsley Leafed Hawthorne, which is a little hard to differentiate on green, but the flowers are particularly striking. Almost has a feel like a spirea from a distance. So this is a native, common in Gulf Coast, Greater Houston area and beyond, and the Hawthorne family. So these flowers will turn into reddish orange berries. And they're popular with our dog too, it looks like, to roll in the grass here. So multi-stem tree to about 15 feet or so. And it's growing, I wouldn't say deep shade, but it's a bit of a clearing, but there's still quite a few overhead trees. And looks like a large tree failed. So it's probably no coincidence. This tree's flourishing, I imagine, I'm guessing with a little more sunlight. And again, it's seasonally wet here when it floods with heavy rain, so it's popular with our puppy here, Hudson.